These are the Ravishing frames, and I will show you how to take out and reinstall the lenses. So to take out the lenses, you want to take the top and bottom part of the frames and pull while pushing out on the lens. So top and bottom part of the frame, pull apart and push down with your thumbs. Now, to reinstall the lenses, you want to take the lens and slide it into the grooves, and you want to make sure that over half of the lens is going to be inside the grooves already, and you push down on the exposing corner. Again, this part of the lens into this part of the frame. Gently slide it into the grooves, making sure this part is already inside, and you just push.